So after watching every toolbox review on YouTube, decided to finally do mine on my ratchet drawer. My 1/4 inch, my 3/8, my 1/2 inch, all on 3D printed ratchet docks. So here we have Titan gearless ratchet, Koken 1/4 inch, soft grip, Tecton 1/4 inch, snap-on 1/4 inch, snap-on swivel head, soft grip 1/4 inch, matco purple handle, locking flex head 1/4 inch, snap-on hard handle pearl blue, flex head, snap-on pink handle, 1/4 inch fixed head, the capri soft grip 1/4 inch, neat rolls 1/4 inch, another matco flex head 1/4 inch purple handle with the black chrome, another matco snap-on stubby 1/4 inch, snap-on 1/4 inch flex head, snap-on 1/4 inch flex head long handle, Koken 3/8 with the thumb spinner, Titan gearless 3/8, Leap rolls 1/4 inch body 3/8 anvil, the Koken 1/4 inch body 3/8 anvil, flex, Mac 3/8 stubby, neat rolls 3/8 stubby, 3/8, sorry, capri 3/8 fixed head, neiko or neiko, whatever you call it, 3/8, husky 3/8. So before you guys come at me for saying I don't use my tools, these are my home tools, and luckily I drive nothing but Chevys, so they're reliable and hardly break down. Multi-position 3/8 snap-on, Tecton soft grip fixed head, snap-on vintage 3/8, matco purple with the black chrome, locking flex head, icon gold 3/8, matco flex head locking 3/8 long, Tecton flex head long 3/8, matco locking flex head 3/8 long, snap-on 100-year anniversary hard handle 3/8 standard and long, fixed head, snap-on 1/2 inch soft grip, Tecton 1/2 inch soft grip flex head, matco swivel head 1/2 inch, Mac, 1/2 inch swivel head, Capri 1/2 inch fixed head, Icon 1/2 inch fixed head, snap-on locking flex head 1/2 inch. And well, that's it for my ratchet drawer. And my price, my baby's right there.